Hello, I'm Del Lozano. I'm 25 years old. I live in Poblacion Norte, Mayantoc, Tarlac. I am single, but I have 3 kids. My eldest son was 4 years old. The second is my daughter, who is 3 years old. And my youngest son was 6 months old. I am college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education in Tarlac College of Agriculture. I am also undergraduate in vocational course. I took up Computer Secretarial in Madonas College of Technology. I have an experience working in Manila as a babysitter. I take care of newborn baby until she's 1 year old. I know how to speak English. I know how to cook a little bit of Chinese food. I know how to clean the house. I know how to washing clothes and ironing clothes. I know how to take care of babies and kids. And also, I know how to take care of old men and old women. But I prefer to take care of babies and kids because I have a baby. I am a kind, patient, and industrious. I am also hard-working person. I will sacrifice to work abroad, to my family, especially to my children. I will do my best to satisfy my employer. I will obey them and respect them so that they will like me. That's all. Thank you and God bless.